Hey everybody, and welcome to the Volkswagen booth here at the 2019 LA Auto Show. Now, if you know anything about Baja racing, well, you already know exactly what this is. That's a Baja Bug, and it currently competes in Class 11. Personally, I think it's one of the coolest classes running at Baja, and since racing began in Baja, there have been these Volkswagens down there. They've been running since the early 60s, and the beauty is nothing has really changed that much. Class 11 is basically still stock VWs. It's one of the coolest things you can see in Baja, and Volkswagen is building on that pedigree with a pretty cool concept. It's right over here. Let's go take a look. Now, this, ladies and gentlemen, is the Atlas Cross Sport Baja concept. And they call it a concept, but I mean, this is a race vehicle. This is going to compete in Baja this year. Now, Tanner Faust is going to be behind the wheel, Volkswagen driver, and this was developed in partnership with Reese Millen, one of the best known Baja racers. And I'll let you guys take a closer look around and we'll walk up to the front of this thing, because this is a really serious Baja race vehicle. Now, the Cross Sport is just being revealed by Volkswagen, and it's a bit of a lower slung version of the larger Atlas. And this racer kind of, changes up the style of it, no doubt about that, but still takes some of the cues. Now, this vehicle is going to race in the Class 7 Open Production class at the Baja 1000 this year. And what's really cool about it is it's going to be the first ever four-wheel drive vehicle competing in that class. Yes, believe it or not, still most Baja racers run two-wheel drive rather than four, but Volkswagen has decided to pump it up and power all four wheels. Now, what's the powertrain? Well, I bet you guys are going to be surprised. This is a 2-liter four-cylinder that is making 480 horsepower, and it's actually capable of 600 horsepower. This is the same powertrain that Volkswagen uses in WRC racing, the same engine that Tanner Faust already runs over there in WRC. So there's no doubt that Volkswagen took Baja seriously this year, and they want to make sure that their presence is felt down there at the race in Mexico. So guys, I can't wait for the Baja 1000. It's one of my favorite events every single year, and I want to see how this VW is going to do. So make sure you go below, leave a comment, let me know what you think of this thing, and then come back to the channel for the latest news, views, and real world reviews. See ya.